Okay, super long one. This is probably the most difficult set on the page. And I don't want you to feel like, oh my gosh, there's so much on here that I don't want to do it at all. All right? There are a lot of things you can do to make this work. I'm going to give you the order this way and do number 5 last. 1 and 6 are probably the easiest ones to do just because they use the exterior angle theorem. And that exterior angle theorem, just as we've stated about 12, 15, 20 times before, is the angle on the outside here is equal to these two angles here. Okay? And so 1 is equal to 58 plus 36, and 6 is equal to 82 plus 65. I'm not going to write it out. I'm just going to tell you about it. And if you need to stop the video and go back and write it down, and then now you have your answers. Okay? Good. So we've taken care of 1, and we've taken care of 6. Let's move to 4. 4 is great because there are 3 angles that add up to 180 because they both exist right next, all 3 exist right next to each other on a line. Okay, so 70 plus 4 plus 65 give us 180 degrees. So you write it out. 4 plus 70 plus 65 equals 180. All right, and then you solve that way. You need to stop the video, go ahead and do that. You know how to do this. You guys are smart. All right, so now we've taken care of 4. 3 is a different matter. I, for some reason, decided to erase number 3. There it is. There's number 3. Now, you can do number 3 the same way you did number 4, because now that you know number 4, all these 3 add up to 180, but I know an easier way. Don't tell anyone, but number 3 is a vertical angle to this angle here, and we know that vertical angles are congruent. Shh, don't tell anyone. Sorry. Anyway, this is the same as that. You're finished. Okay, so now we take care of 3. I'm going to use that same idea because now we know what this is. I'm going to use that same vertical angle idea, and we're going to put a 36 in here. All right. You already put that 65 here, so 65 plus 36 plus number 2 gives you 180. So we said 65 plus 36 plus number 2 gives you 180. So if you subtract these two values from 180, you get number 2. So far, so good. This is the last one. All right? The last one is just like the first ones. We're going to use the exterior angle theorem. The exterior angle theorem says that this angle right here, the measure of this angle here, is equal to the sum of these two. We already found 4 earlier, so you will have a value for 4. So you're going to say the value you have for number 4 plus number 5 equals 118 degrees. All right? And since you already have 4, all you do is subtract that from 118, and that gives you 5. Done. Congratulations.